What is going on, you guys? My name is Brandon. This is All Things Bearded, where we talk about all things that are beard related. And if you like beard related content, this is the place to be. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the like button while you're at it, and follow us on Instagram at allthings.bearded. So this episode is going to be just a little bit different than all my other episodes, because on this one, I'm not really going to have any of the cinematic B-roll footage I'm known for, but I have a lot of my Black Friday stuff in, and I can't smell anything, so therefore we can't really review anything. But at least you can see what I got, see what's coming down the pipeline. I've got 3 packages here. I've got one more coming in, and that is from the Luxurious Bastard. I went ahead and pre-ordered all of the Dan C collaboration that Dave did, because I've been waiting over a year for that to come out, and I wasn't missing out on it. Oh, also, so a lot of people picked up the Stay Safe, Stay Bearded decals that we had about a month ago. So I've got a new one coming out. It'll be available as soon as this video drops, and it says Always Bearded. These don't have one of those gloss finishes. It's got like a matte finish, so it's a really good sticker, really high end, $2, free shipping, all that good stuff. But keep a lookout on that. I know a lot of people like stickers. They like to throw them on their water bottles and laptops, coolers, all that good stuff. So we'll go ahead and start, and I've got my knife here. And if you don't have a CRKT knife, I don't know what you do with your life. So the first package that I have is from Ready Man, and I went ahead and ordered from him because a lot of people told me to check him out, and they were begging for reviews on him. So I wanted to go ahead and at least check out some of his stuff. So we'll at least see what we have. And like I said, I can't smell anything, which sucks because you get all this beard mail and you can't even smell it to see if it's any good. But anyways, go ahead. So I have 2 beard oils from him, and I went ahead and wrote them down on my phone. That way I'll have at least a description. So we have Whistle Punk from Ready Man, and that one is going to be Amber Oud, Campfire, and Warm Cologne. So I know a lot of people love this scent profile, so I can't wait to at least try it out, see how it feels in beard, see what the scent profile is like. And I also have the Head Honcho beard oil, so we'll have that one as well, and that is going to be Birch, Tobacco, Pepper, and Exotic Essence. So Ready Man, we have 2 beard oils to check out from them. We'll be doing a review on that in 2021. Hopefully my sense of smell comes back sooner than later, so I can really start getting into these, because I love hearing about these companies. It's just, like I said, I'm not gonna review something if I can't smell it. Does no good. So the next one that we have coming up is going to be from Defined Beard Co. And a lot of people told me to check that one out too. And actually I had a follower, Ryan, who hooked me up with a gift card, which I thought was totally awesome of him. So Ryan, I appreciate it, man. I used it and we got a little bit more. So I appreciate you sharing that gift card with me. And we're gonna definitely get this one on the channel for you. I took a poll too, like to see what people liked, and a lot of people came back with stuff. So I think they actually sent us a little extra, so we'll see what all's in here. I know I ordered 2 scents, but this looks like more than 2. And I got a knife, why am I not using it? Stupid. Is this one of those like ASMR videos where people make all those soft noises and people get all freaked out and love the sound of it? If you're into that, you're welcome. Wow. Okay, yeah, so we got more than what we ordered, which I appreciate. And I told them that I was ordering, so I think they just threw in a little extra. Yep, thank you note and everything. I appreciate these guys. So, let's see what we got. Wish I had a drum machine. All right, so we have After Party, which I don't know what the scent profile is for After Party, because I wasn't really anticipating getting it. If you do like After Party and you know about it, comment down below so I can learn about it. But we have the beard oil, and we also have the beard butter in After Party, so that's cool. Looking forward to it. I love butters too. I hate bombs. Probably like sacrilegious because I said that. I hate bombs. I love butters. So we also have the Distinguished Caballero. The Distinguished Caballero. Is that right? I hope that's right. Maybe that's right. like bubble wrap, man. I'll tell you this much. Fine beard company, y'all know how to pack, man. I mean, this stuff ain't getting broke. I don't think anybody will ever have anything damaged from this company. And we also have the beard oil. So we have beard oil and butter. Defined Caballero. And the last but not least, 1626. Devin, beard code. You told me to get this one, I believe. So I keep seeing that on your YouTube. I love Devin. Devin's doing a great job right now. I think he just hit like 300 subscribers too. So Devin, round of applause, man. If I could give you one. I got my hands full of this bubble wrap. And oh, this is like 3 of them stuck together. That's why it's taking so long. God. Beard oil too, 1626. So we've got that as well. So Define Beard Co. We've got 3 beard oils and beard butters from them. So really looking forward to getting on that train. I know a lot of people love their stuff, keep seeing it everywhere. And I really wanted to find some stuff that people really enjoy and really suggest. So if you do have any more suggestions on companies for 2021 as well, throw that in the comment section below. And last but not least, this one, we can thank our trusted teacher, Dan C, for this one, because I think he did a video like right after I placed my order, and I was like, well, at least I'm doing something right. If Dan's talking about them, which he's talked about them before, I believe, but I have Broke Ass Beard Supply, and I think, yeah, I got 3 from them too. So with Broke Ass, I'm not a cologne type person. I'm not really a fan. I mean, there's the time and a place for it, of course, but I prefer stuff that's not really a cologne scent beard oil, and their And series really had me interested. So I went ahead and got 3 from the And series. So if you're a cologne fan of Broke Ass, let me know what you like, but I'm just not really like a cologne fan. But if there's something that you really think I'm missing out on, let me know. So I got the Z scent, and this one was a dark amber and lavender. I thought that would be really good for a nighttime scent. I'll probably get the butter for it too once I get my sense of smell back and really can tell you how I think about it. But got the Z, which is the nighttime scent profile for them. Tell you what, nobody's got anything broke from Broke Ass. I can tell you that much too. Them and Define, man, they know how to pack. So I also have the Blueberry Sage and Teakwood scent profile, and I'll go ahead and say it. I love the way he does the labels and just circles on the label whatever you got. He has all the scent profiles, but just to make it easier on him, just circles it with a Sharpie. I think that's really cool. Unique, saves you some money, gets you some beard oil really cheap, and from what I've heard, it's really great stuff. So my wife will tell me if it smells good, but she didn't want to be in the video today. Maybe next time. And also, so this one is basically a citrus peel with chocolate is what I got out of it. When I was doing the descriptions, I think Dan included this one in his video. Cool, man. I'm really excited. So I have Broke Ass Beard Supply, I have Define Beard Co, and then I have Ready Man. All 3 of these will be doing reviews on them. Have some killer B-roll footage for it then, I promise. It's not like it's going away. It's just there's no sense in doing it for an unboxing. But for a full review, it will be coming. It will be coming soon. And also we have the Luxurious Bastard coming. I just don't know when, because I know that was a pre-order. But if you have any of these and love them, let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't tried any of them, let me know that too. Oh, here's a good one. Which one do you want to see first? Put that in the comment section below. We'll do a little poll on it in the comment section, and whoever gets the most comments, you get the review first. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know this is something new. Not really that exciting, but I wanted to get another video out there. It's been a while since I've had a video out. We've had just some things going on, and I greatly appreciate everybody that's reached out to me on that matter. They know what it is, and I do appreciate everybody that reached out within the bearded community. It really made me feel great. And like I said, we have more reviews coming, so stay tuned. And as always, stay safe and stay bearded.